Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Dear students, today we will discuss another abiotic component of the environment, that is the light. So, dear students, as you know, that light is the abiotic component of our environment. Light is the main source of light on the earth is the sun, which gives us light and heat for all the biotic and abiotic components that are living on the earth. It means both the living as well as the non-living things depend on the sun. So light is necessary for photosynthesis in plants and survival of most consumers like humans, fungi and bacteria depend on the plants. Light helps us to see things, and the importance of light on plants and animals we will discuss here. So first we will discuss the effects of light on plants. What is the effect of light on the plant? So dear students, light energy from sun influences almost all aspects of plants life directly or indirectly. It is essential factor for the formation of green pigment chlorophyll in green leaves. So the formation of green pigment chlorophyll, which is a main component for the formation of food, that is photosynthesis in plants. So secondly, it has a very strong influence on the number and position of chloroplasts. So uh, chloroplasts are present inside the leaf cells. So chloroplasts, the leaf that is facing towards the sunlight, has large number of chloroplasts. That is the number and position of chloroplasts depends upon the sunlight. Similarly, light has a significant role in photosynthesis, as we know. Unless and until there is not a source of sunlight, photosynthesis does not occur, and photosynthesis is the only source. So photosynthetic reaction is the only source of food on the surface of earth. Similarly, light inhibits the production of growth hormone auxin. There is one of the growth hormone auxin in plants. Its production is inhibited by light, as a result of which the shape of it influences the shape and size of plant. So shape and size of plant is maintained by the light, because the light inhibits the growth hormone auxin. If the light does not inhibits this growth hormone, the plants may become tall and having not any fixed shape and size. So the shape and size of plant is regulated by the light. The development of fruits, flowers, seeds is greatly affected by the light intensity. So development of fruits, flowers and seeds depends upon the light. For example, reduced light promotes the development of vegetable structures and cause delicacy. For example, vegetative crops such as turnip, carrot, potato, and beet give highest yield in regions high percentage of cloudy days. Intense light favors the development of flowers, fruits, and shades. Similarly, light affects the distribution of plants. Some plants grow in full sunlight. They are called as heliophytes or photophilous plants. In some plants that grow in shade, they are called as psychophytes, shade-loving or photophobic plants. It means that the plants are distributed on the earth due to the presence of light. Some of the plants need full sunlight for its growth and development. Such plants are called as heliophytes or photophilous plants. And some of the plants that grow in the shady area, these are called as psychophytes. They are also called as shade-loving plants or photophobic plants. So the distribution of plants depends upon the light. Similarly, light also affects the physiology of plants. It has influence on the rate of transpiration, absorption of water, and respiration. For example, in many plants, the respiration rate increases with the increase of light intensity. So the transpiration of plants, that is the loss of water from the plant, it also depends upon the light. Absorption of water and respiration, these are the important chemical reactions in plants which are affected by the light. So dear students, These are some of the important points, important effects of light on the plants. So we can say that the light is the important abiotic component of the earth. It has its effects on both plants as well as animals. On the plants, we discuss its effects in terms of the formation of chlorophyll, in terms of the number of chloroplasts in plants, in terms of the growth hormone, in terms of the distribution of plants, in terms of the respiration, transpiration, absorption, and respiration. Similarly, dear students, it has also effects of animals, which we discuss in another video. Dear students, stay connected, watch another video for the effects of light on animals. Stay home, stay safe. Allah bless you all.